Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afif Fahmi bin Zaman. My matrix number S60590. Today I'm going to present about starting of an induction motor. Starting of an induction motor. A three-phase induction motor is self-starting. When the supply is connected to the stator of a three-phase induction motor, a rotating magnetic field is produced, which causes the rotor to rotate and the induction motor to start. At the time of starting, the motor slip is unity and the starting current is very large. A three-phase induction motor can be started by connected directly to a power supply at full voltage or low voltage. The induction motor torque is proportionally to the square of the supply voltage. As a result, when a motor is started on full voltage, it produces more torque than when it starts on low voltage. The purpose of a starter. The first one is to start the motor, and there are two other functions of a starter besides start the motor. The first one is to minimize the high beginning current, and the second one is overload and under voltage protection. Give overload and under voltage protection. Starting method of induction motor. There are three methods. The first one is direct online starter. It is simple and cost effective. It is directly connected to the supply. Small motor up to 5 kW in size are using direct online starter to avoid supply voltage fluctuation. The second one is star delta starter, the most common and commonly utilized. It is powered by delta connected starter winding. And the last one is auto transformer starter. It is utilized in both part connection, namely star and delta connection. Auto transformer starter is used to limit the induction motor starting current. These three starters are used for the cage rotor induction motor. Okay, take a look at the slip ring induction motor starter method. For this figure, it is slip ring starter induction motor. At first, the full supply voltage is applied across the starter in the slip ring induction motor starter. The starter supply current is lowered as the full starting resistance is connected. As the motor speed increases, the rotor begins to revolve and the rotor resistance are gradually removed. When the motor is running at full load, the starting resistance are totally removed and the slip ring are short circuit. For the reference, and thank you.